Hi. In the middle of summer, when it's hot, when the garden is going crazy and you've got all sorts of produce, what do? Well, first of all, I take the tomatoes and I make a BLT out of that. And I've got the cucumbers and I'm using them in salads, but I've also got these really weird cucumbers. And I have a random lime that's in here. And I use those to make a cucumber, lime, mint, agua fresca. In a high-powered blender, or really any good blender, and if you don't have a good blender, why not? You're gonna add cucumbers. I just give them a rinse and a rough chop. You're gonna add lime. I just literally cut it in a couple pieces. And you're gonna add mint. Harvest it, give it a rinse. And after that, dump in some ice and the sweetener of your choice. You could be using honey. You could use maple syrup. You could use sorghum or molasses or something. The sweetener of your choice, a little water to make it run, and then blend. Okay, so you blend it up and then pour it in. And this is refreshing and delicious, and cheers to summer. And if you make extra, you can always store it in a jar, give it a shake, and it'll be ready to drink. Store it in the fridge.